What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get multiple Stripe accounts with one LLC. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website of Stripe. Click on this website and after clicking you will be welcomed to this page of Stripe, wherein on the right side you will see the option of sign up. If you are new to Stripe, simply click on that sign up button and then sign up with your email, password and other credentials to create your own Stripe account. But if you have previously logged into Stripe, you will see the option of sign in or dashboard. Simply click on that and then you will be automatically signed in to the dashboard of Stripe. Now, after coming here to the homepage of Stripe after login or signing up, on the left side you can see this new business sandbox. Click on this and after that you can see the other accounts option. Hover to other accounts and then click on create account. Now after that, enter your account name and the country of operation, that from where this account will be operated, and then click on create. And after that, new account will be created, and from here you can add the features like collect payments, recurring payments, and connect with a business that's using Stripe. And after that, you can just simply click on continue, and then you can choose how do you want to start, like collect payments, recurring payments, invoices, tax collection, in-person payments, climate contributions, fraud protection, and many more. You can choose and then you can continue, and then you just set up your account of Stripe, and it will ask you some of the bank details and other details. So just fill out those details if you want your account to be fully activated. This is how you can get multiple Stripe account with one LLC. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.